from Brenspeed. Thanks so much for watching Brenspeed TV. It's 3-valve Wednesday. Today we're going to check out an 09 GT manual transmission on 93 octane running our Paxton Throwback package, laying down over 540 real horsepower. We're going to watch that dyno pull. Hey, if you haven't subscribed, notify, stay up to date. But right now, let's go check it out. All right, let's check out this engine compartment. 540 the tires. Here's what we have going. It is our Paxton Throwback package. It's a Novi 1200, non-intercooled. You get 47-pound fuel injectors, of course, a booster pump, Kohler spark plugs, proper calibration. This car already had the Ford Racing intake manifold, a BB throttle body, a Detroit rocker cams, gotta love those, and a set of Cook's long tube headers. That's the engine mods. That's how we got there. So at the end of this video, I'll put a link to how much is too much power on a stock 3-valve Mustang, because a lot of you might wonder about that. If you haven't seen it, click on that, it'll tell you all about it. But right now, check out this dyno pull. All right, like I said, 93 octane, manual transmission. Doug, check out these numbers. DynoJet, SAE, smoothing 541 raw horsepower, 6,700 RPM. Torque comes in 434 where I want it, peaking at 5,900 RPM. And that torque is key to keep the engine safe on a stock engine. We are located in Indiana. We keep these superchargers in stock. So what you're looking at right here, all these parts, we can ship right to your door, and we have calibrations for it. Or you can email quote@brenspeed.com and say, what's it cost to get installed? Open that description. I will put links to every one of these parts so you can read a lot more about it. But that's all. 09 GT, manual, 93 octane. We can calibrate this for different fuels, so maybe you're way out west. You only get like 90 or 91. We can do the same thing. Your power will go down just a little bit with less octane. But that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching.